Hello, and welcome to Meditations with Miss Christy. Today's meditation is to be used with the Sun and the Wind story. This one is called Puppy Dog Wiggle. Stand with your feet comfortably apart. Imagine a puppy dog swimming in a lake. Watch him come toward the shore and jump onto the land. Pretend you are that puppy dog wanting to get dry. Shake all the water off your body. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake your head dry. Shake, 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 shake. Shake your front legs. Shake your tail. Now, shake your whole body. Shake, 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 shake. You are still not quite dry yet. Wiggle your tail again. Feel the water spraying all around you. Now, change yourself into a surfer. Grab your towel and dry off your shoulders. Rub, 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 rub. Dry off your hips. Move them around, get them dry. Shake your feet dry. Now, lie down on the soft sand and relax in the warm sunshine. Our sunshine has come out, and you can lay down and be calm and enjoy the warmth. Breathe in. Breathe out. Very good. You can lay here for as long as you like, staying warm under the sunshine.